beach.
Sige, pabayaan mo na lang. Pero teka lang. Ibang crab yan. Pakita nga.
Hindi. Wait lang. Teka lang.
Nasaan?
Nasaan?
It's a crab.
Lola, look, my crab! Jan, dito!
Nasaan?
Ito
Jan!
yun.
Wala naman.
Yan, ma.
Ito!
Uy,
What?
pabayaan mo na lang na
Oo.
Babayan mo na lang!
That means nga ada ko garuti crab dito.
What are you saying?
Yun o, maglakad na. Maglalakad na siya.
Oh, talagang crab naman. Kunin ko nga.
Lola will get it.
Oh. Don't do that. It will pinch
Ay.
you.
Naalis naman yung...
Pabayaan mo na, ma. Ito na.
Did you got it?
Ayaw ni daddy mo.
What?
Crab root.
That one came from the literal beach.
Yeah.
How did it walk here?
I don't know nga eh.